Habakan tho ek jingmi jindat bitar ki noi lam ka hinyo trap youth council HYC na ka jing alang ka balalong haka arpo utari unai luar arja arpusau hapadang ka jing kran halor ka jing dawa da ka HYC ban Pynkynriah ka oral substitution therapy OST center na civil hospital Shillong ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh ka laong kamla ban long namar kam yahap bat ki kendon an Habakran sikilat patai kubor hakano pai singi joka arpusau taregunai luar araja arpusau ke Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh klaong bakaan kamsha ban Pynkynriah ikatai ke santa na katai ke Jaka badan mentah hindrai kin hab ban yatrai lang ban lap yaki jingduna nalor kata kalaong ru ban bat yaki balangop hau drugs bat ban pa yaki shagi Jaka ki bajengai kalong ke bam ya hab Atiar ka baong bagi don ki an ki bapet banya yakini ki jingle kumta kala kerpat yak HYC bagi dai banya trai lang bat ke sarkar habaya dai bat kani kamat.
I have had a long discussion that day. It was brought to my attention and there was this demand to remove that OST center there, but unfortunately the law does not allow us to go that direction. We now need to figure out why is it that there are these gaps in the system. We need to figure out what are the ways and means to do it. Very happy that the Drok Users Association also came forward. They are also now handling it. Volunteers are being provided. Don't just chase people away and put them into boxes further away from reach of assistance. That's not the way to function. And there are laws that are governing all of these actions. I have requested the HYC to please allow us to attend to this matter in a proper manner. There are laws that are guiding us and we cannot operate outside of the purview of law. So they are in agreement. I've requested them to come forward to help us, help the government. If you see that there are these antisocial elements, instead of wanting to shun them away, let's find a way to help them. That's the only way we have to handle this, because no other way will be permitted as per law. So please give us time. We need to house that center in a better manner. We need to provide proper counseling. We need to provide proper facilities so that we enroll those that have gone away from mainstream. We have to try and bring them to the mainstream in a proper manner without judging anyone, without targeting anyone. Like this though, everything will go into a crisis situation. We should not allow that to happen. Please believe that this government is concerned and we are going to be working out ways and means to sort this whole problem out.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya